In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change gradient colors here in Canva. So first off, we're going to need some gradient colors. Now what we're going to do is click onto the background, then come up to the color icon just here, then scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says gradients. Now let's go ahead and choose this orange pinkish color. Then to change these colors of this gradient, we want to scroll back up to the top, click onto the color icon just here, and then we have this gradient tab just here. And this is where we can change the colors to whatever we want. So if we click on this pink color, we can then put in a hex code color just here, or we can go up and down on this bar. Let's go with a green, like so, and then we can change the intensity of that color as well. Now let's go ahead and do the yellow. What goes with green? Let's go with blue. So now we're going to click onto the yellow color, come down to the blue just here, then let's make this a little bit more intense as well, just like that. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to actually change the colors of a gradient here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.